Python primarily known for A. Low-level memory control, easy syntax and readability, only web development, mobile development, only mobile development, easy syntax and readability. Python is designed to simple and reliable. You can read from here. Which symbol is used to write a command in Python? C hash 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 is used for command. Which function is used to display output in Python? Print. Which of the following value is available in Python? Value 1. What is the correct way to assign a value to variable in Python? X is equal to 10. The following basic data type in Python are of above. What is the following code output? B is equal to 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Which keyword is used to add a function in Python? Def def. Which function is used to take input from user in Python input? Python is Python is a which type of programming language integrated language? It's a 10th first question quiz and a series of quiz are given on my site. If you want to learn from Python quiz and anything else, contact me. Thank you so much for watching.